So over here on the left side, if I were to go around and make a selection, so let's say I make a square selection right here, then you can see that I see that the selection is here. But if I want it to be more distinct, then I can utilize something called highlights. So to do that, I need to go around and click on highlight right here. So once you go around and click on highlight, choose highlight, you can see that the rest of the content right here turns black just like this, so that it is more distinct. You can go around and change around the highlight opacity as you wish as well, just like this. And apart from that, you can see that you can go around and work around with guides as well. So right now there is no guides on the selection, but however, you can go around and click and add in center line as guides, as you can see right here. So there's center lines over here. Apart from that, you can add in rule of thirds as a line right here. So the rule of thirds is there as a guide, as you can see, or you can go around and use rule of fifths as well, just like this. Apart from that, you can go around and utilize the golden section line right here, as you can see right here, and diagonal lines as well. And that is what you have, and that is how you can go around and utilize the selection highlights and guides inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.